Welcome to Benidorm at night, where all the Christmas magic happens. Let's discover some of the beautifully decorated streets, the ones that you didn't see before. We start today's video on the famous pedestrian-only street of Tapas or Tuño. This is a place where we have loveliest Christmas decorations, and it's also the area that mostly locals frequent. Candy shops with giant inflated bears and post boxes for those who want to send a letter towards the Santa Claus or the Three Kings. That's where usually kids here in Spain send their gift wishes, you would say, like this. Plenty of decorations out here, giant gifts with lovely warm yellow lights. All the entire street is covered with these types of Christmas decorated lights too. And at the end of this street, there is a Christmas house. We'll also see a giant Belen, which is traditional Spanish Christmas thing. And if you don't know what we're talking about, stay tuned up until the end, because you're about to see a different vision of Christmas and how a lot of people celebrate it, since there's two options here in Spain. Either you celebrate Christmas with a Christmas tree, or you celebrate it religiously with a Belen. And families a lot of the times have whole entire giant Belen cities, villages, authentic villages, even themed with water, with moving figures for Christmas celebration. Plenty of people are here, and this is very typical. National residents, national tourists, and international guests. All people are here exploring Benidorm streets and enjoying everything that it has to offer. Right here nearby, where we see the big and shiny and sparkly Christmas tree, is where the typical and traditional Belen is located. This is the place, and we'll try and show it to you guys right now. This one is the Belen. They roast some chestnuts here, and on the inside there is a traditional giant Belen. A very nice Christmas tree, and free entrance. We're heading on the inside. Obviously, you can leave some money if you want to. There's traditional figurines here that you can actually purchase, but this is not what we came for. We came for this. Look at this incredible village. This is a giant Belen. Very, very nice one. And there's even characters moving. See? There's some characters out there moving, kids playing, and plenty of figures. There is light inside of the homes. People are moving. Well, figurines are moving. This is a typical authentic village. This is a place where they were, like a kindergarten, for example. This is the place that was creating clothes. Absolutely gorgeous. This was the bakery. And right here in front, we have it's like a bar. It's like an old style bar. Even live fish are there. Look at all this. That's absolutely incredible. Out there at the back, there's another village. This is how it looks like. This is more like nature, how it previously was. Absolutely gorgeous place. This is how it looks like. And here you can also leave some money for it. They also have Christmas lotteries a lot of the times. It's absolutely incredible. And there's the baby.
Mamá, quiero echarlo.
Vale, tranquila.
Cuando
él acabe,
te tocará a ti.
This is a gorgeous place. Really, really recommended for a visit here. And there's a whole entire Christmas program that they give. Oh my goodness, this is not focusing. Let's see now. So all this is Christmas program that you can get here to be able to enjoy all the Christmas celebrations. Very nice flower shops here nearby, decorated gorgeous for Christmas. Absolutely gorgeous bouquets and compositions here. Very, very nice to see. Lovely to see, actually. A lot of people here on the streets. People are enjoying different types of events. There's going to be concerts and way more musicals. Look at this. Oh, it's closed down. This was a churros place, by the way. They did some churros with flavors, but I guess it didn't work out eventually because it's closed down. It's for rent now. And people would think that this is a good area to be, and it might be for some dates, but overall, especially in winter, it's not the most touristic place. If they would have opened up by the Levante Beach or Mediterranean Avenue or any other area, maybe they would have succeeded. But not here. Our favorite Granier place for some nice cakes and some typical Spanish breakfast. And many, many more places. People are buying gifts for their relatives, their loved ones. There's plenty of movement, and the more we head towards the old town, because at the end of the street we have directly the Tapas alley. That's where we're heading towards at, and the more we get towards that area, the more vivid all this becomes. And you can see that there's already plenty of people, and you have to try and find a space where to pass in order to walk comfortably. Oh my goodness, that is a strange thing. I always see this. I never know why it is the case, but this is like a perfume shop. Maybe it's for like Christmas gifts. I was purchasing perfume there. I'm not sure, but this is like a place that sells perfumes and cosmetics and like body, hair care, and they're always packed. There's always a queue outside. I never know what the reason is. Some nice cafeterias out here nearby, also packed up. People love. I'm seeing something beautiful. I'll show it to you guys in a second. People love cafeterias. Love them quite a lot, and it's always really, really full. Are you seeing a lot of yellow lights? Oh, are you seeing a lot of yellow lights in front? Well, this is the Christmas house. That is the Christmas house. That is where the Santa Claus is, like the sleigh and typically everything. But oh my goodness, its outside decoration is absolutely stunning. It is the most beautiful thing probably here in Benidorm right now. We've seen it during the day when the Christmas lights are turned off, and it wasn't like this. But here, boy, there is a difference when you see it at night. It illuminates the whole entire street. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if it's open. Yeah, it is probably open because I see people going inside and outside. But this is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. The Christmas house. Oh, that is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Woo. Look at this. Sparkling lights. Oh, it is closed. Why is it closed? No. Usually, my husband says they are always open on Christmas, but that's not the case. They're always open earlier. A lot of people are able to go there. Let's see when it's open. Let's see, Christmas house. 29th of November, 12th December, 13th, 14th, 19th. Today, what is it today? 14th. Oh, so it's 19th. And then from 20th to 23rd. Okay, so it's going to be opening up tomorrow in the evening. And then 20th to 23rd, mornings and evenings. Oh, that is a shame. It's a gorgeous Christmas house. It's absolutely... Boy, we're gonna show it to you in any case. It's a gorgeous Christmas house. My husband's seeing... Ooh. We're not supposed to, but I'm gonna show it to you guys. No. This is how this Christmas house looks like. We managed to show you the garden. It's actually gorgeous. And right next to it, there's churros and chocolate place for some fresh and lovely churros. Let's see, churros, 6 churros, 4 euros. That's how much it costs. And then you have porras, which are like fat churros, 4 euros. Oh, thank you. Happy upcoming holidays. Just seeing some of our subscribers. Not sure if they're here on camera or not. Once we'll be editing, we'll check it out. But it is nice. It is nice to see people here who are here for Christmas, and they're able to see this lovely time of the year. That's right now here in Benidorm and everywhere else, obviously. Not as alive in this area, but that is because it's either that part or it's this part. Right in front of us, we have the famous Tapas alley. The Tapas street, we call it Calle de los Vascos, which is the Basque street. Typically, traditionally, because a lot of families are coming from País Vasco, from North Spain, those that have settled in here and created all these bars. But for international tourists, it is the Tapas alley, or aka Tapas street. Right here next to the museum, slightly more movement, people with bags, with shopping, a little bit of shopping to enjoy, to grab some last minute gifts. And all this is looking surprisingly quiet. Oh wow. Some of these restaurants probably close down on holidays, for holidays. But then others, oh, they've decorated it for Christmas. This is lovely. And then the typical shopping alleys right here. Most important shopping streets are towards our left. Right here by the Tapas alley, there's quite a bit of Christmas trees. There's, as usual, there's like a red carpet walk that they put every single year. Some granals on the top. And honestly, it's very warm here because there's a lot of heaters that are put on. So while you are here, there's also quite a loud music. But overall, it's not as busy today as we could think. It is Thursday, so I feel like it's going to be busier slightly further along towards the weekend. And on Christmas, this is going to be packed with a lot of offers, a lot of people out here enjoying some nice Christmas dinners and some snacks and some good music. Hola. And a lot of Christmas lights, a lot of useful atmosphere. Gracias. And quite a lot of Christmas lights out here. The oyster place, by the way, we've been here a couple of times. We've shown you what it looks like, as well as all the other places out here, honestly. Nice Christmas decorations, Christmas trees, and the red carpet everywhere up until the end of the Tapas alley. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video. You could have seen a different side of Benidorm, also nicely decorated for Christmas. The best part is the Christmas house and the traditional Spanish Belen. Check it out if you still have not been here. And there's a police car right in front blocking the way of every single person. Let me show it to you guys. See, there's a police car just right there in the middle randomly. Not sure why, but hey, there they are. Probably to ensure people are not just passing with cars where they shouldn't be passing. So that is also quite normal. We knew there would be police presence here everywhere. So I think that is a very good way of doing things and make sure that everything is safe. Thank you for accompanying us today, and we'll see you in a brand new video. Bye!